SLX Plus is finally here, and I can't wait to tell you about it. But first, let's review FLITE technology, the latest innovation in the AirEgress concept.
The liner release is low, which makes beginning the application easy. FLITE technology allows the graphic to float over horizontal surfaces easily, which eliminates pre-tacking. If the first squeegee strokes aren't perfect, you can easily reposition your graphic and start again. The finished wrap has a smooth finish like the surface it covers.
These are all things that applicators love about FLITE technology and have been achieved with pure adhesives, no inhibitors needed. So, SLX Plus, this is a performance evolution.
One challenge many AirEgress films face is the print-to-cut process. Typical AirEgress liners have relatively heavy topography in order to make channels in the adhesive, which makes it AirEgress, but this also makes it difficult for application tapes to adhere to it. The SLX Plus liner has been designed to give the AirEgress low-contact experience applicators love. The performance evolution is that transfer tape adheres well to it, as do the graphics left behind on the liner after the weeding is done. Weeding letters that are 2 inches tall is easy, and these bigger letters, of course, are no problem as well. Let's get some transfer tape on them and get them on the vehicle. If transfer tape doesn't adhere well to the liner, even small door graphics can be difficult to apply. These 2 door logos were cut and masked within the last 24 hours. On the right is a typical AirEgress cut graphic, and you can clearly see that not only is the transfer tape not sticking to the liner, but the cut letters are also lifting. On the left is SLX Plus. Note how flat the graphic is. Nothing is lifting. This will be an easy install. SLX Plus allows you to roll your print-to-cut graphics for shipping, and the transfer tape stays down along all the edges. So with SLX Plus, your print-to-cut graphics will stay flat on your shelf even after shipping, with no waffled edges.
The performance evolution of SLX Plus offers a more diverse range of substrates it can be adhered to. And they include stainless steel and brand concealment. Thousands of vehicles per year are rebranded or have their graphics refreshed, so being able to cover existing graphics is a big win. There are hundreds of fleets of stainless steel tankers, thousands of elevator doors, to name just a couple of examples where most brands would spec out a specialty film, which can be expensive. Just leave SLX Plus on your printer. It's a solution for all vehicle graphic surfaces. Performance perfected.
Let's get on the side of a vehicle at 55 degrees Fahrenheit, or 12.5 degrees centigrade. Another performance evolution of SLX Plus is easy cold temperature applications. With most AirEgress products, as temperatures get lower, applications become more difficult. SLX Plus uses FLITE technology, so high temperature applications are still a snap, but cold applications are as well. We need to align this large second panel to the first. If the initial tack is too low and you need to reposition the second panel, the whole panel will come up, and you'll have to start again. The adhesive performance evolution of SLX Plus is that on first contact, the adhesive grips well and allows you to reposition the graphic without losing your starting point. As you apply the film, you may make a mistake and need to pop things up. Again, if the initial tack is too low, as it is with many AirEgress films in low temperatures, it's common to see the entire panel pop up, which leads to unnecessary rework. SLX Plus gives you control of your application at all temperatures, hot and cold. Applications in deep channels like this stay down perfectly without the assistance of primer or adhesive promoters when applied in either hot or cold temperatures. SLX Plus makes applying print-to-cut graphics really easy in all temperatures. Here we apply the cut graphic and immediately remove the transfer tape. SLX Plus grips really well from the first contact and gives you, the applicator, confidence to apply as efficiently in cooler temperatures as you would at room temperature.
Whichever vehicle you are wrapping, install or removal, it doesn't matter what the application temperature is or what surfaces your vehicle wrap has to cover. SLX Plus is the single best solution for your next vehicle wrap project.